You may have come across the law of attraction or manifesting before. You might even have read the book, The Secret, or even seen the film. Perhaps you've worked with it a little bit and got some results, especially on the little things. But when it comes to the big things that you wanted, it doesn't seem to happen for you. And that's because there is actually a process which isn't so readily spoken about. So when we manifest, it's about really understanding what we want, why we want it, make sure it's for the highest good, and we embody it. It's also governed by universal laws. So when you understand about how to embody what it is that you want, as well as understanding how the laws of the universe works, suddenly it becomes a little bit clearer and things start to happen in a different way. And those things that you wanted, I'm not saying you're going to get everything. I'm not saying that at all. But what I'm saying is there is a better and a different way of working this. And I have gone down this road before. So, I read The Secret and I embodied it and I did everything I thought was right. But actually, it wasn't enough. I've spent the last 18 months studying and learning with other coaches to understand how to make this happen. So now I want to share that with you. So this workshop is an introduction to manifesting, to understand the law of attraction and how you can implement the laws to help you to obtain what it is that you want to get. So if you're interested and like to know more, please sign up. I look forward to seeing you.